السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Dear and respective audience, today our topic is about the birds which Allah has said in the glorious Quran. Allah is asking to us, ألم يروا إلى الطير مسخرات في جو السماء ما يمسكهن إلا الرحمن إن في ذلك لآيات لقوم يؤمنون. Do they not observe at the birds poised in the midst of the sky? Nothing holds them up but Allah. Verily, in this are signs for those who believe. Allah is asking to observe that flights. Allah is holding them above us. Allah is saying, you observe. You have to observe. There is signs, Allah's sign for those people they are believing. It means you have to study about the birds, it is flying. You have to study the ornithology. It is a great subject. You have to think it and research it. Again, Allah has said, وَمَا مِن دَابَّةٍ فِي الْأَرْضِ وَلَا طَائِرٍ يَطِيرُ بِجَنَاحَيْهِ إِلَّا أَمْثَالُكُمْ. There is not an animal on the earth, nor being that flies on its own wing, but community like you. It means everything, every animals and birds, it is like you community. If you think about this ant, it is also a big community. It is same like us walking, organizing and working together. If you think about the ant, you have to study a lot, because of one of the researcher, he wrote one book. Its name is The Miracle of the Ant. In the birds also there is sign, there is lesson. You have to think and study and research it. And Allah has said in Surah Mulk, verses number 19, أَوَلَمْ يَرَوْا إِلَى الطَّيْرِ فَوْقَهُمْ صَافَّاتٍ وَيَقْبِضْنَ مَا يُمْسِكُهُنَّ إِلَّا الرَّحْمَنُ إِنَّهُ بِكُلِّ شَيْءٍ بَصِيرٌ. Do they not observe the birds about them, spreading their wings and folding them in? None can uphold them except Allah. Truly it is He watches over all things. Here is Allah used the word of the yumsiku. Ma yumsikuhunna illa Rahman. The idea that Allah holds the birds up by His power. Nowadays, The modern scientific data is showing us the degree of perfection attained by certain species of birds with regarding to programming of their movement. It is only the existence of migratory program in genetic code of birds that can explain the long and complicated journey without any prior experience and without any guide are able to accomplish. They are also to return back to the departure point. One of the great professor Hamburger, he wrote a book, The Power and Fragility. He gives the example of the mutton bird. It was called moon bird also. It is flying over 15,000 miles in period of the 6 months and come back to its departure points with a maximum delay 1 week. Now we have to think this much small birds can fly like this long time without any weakness. Allah has given to them the power to fly. And ant, spider, many things, many animals, Allah has said in the glorious Quran. It means it is a miracle of Allah, sign of Allah. You have to think and study more. Quran is inspiring. When it revealed the first time, it is inspiring to us study, means read. By reading only we can study. It is why read. Iqra bismi rabbikal ladhi khalaq. Khalaqal insana min alaq. Like saying read. After that, in plenty of places of glorious Quran, in different ayat and surah, Allah has said there is sign for who he is thinking, he thinks. It means there is countless knowledge are hiding inside of the glorious Quran. Allah is saying you have to take it, you think and research and take that knowledge and spread it. Allah also has said, Ma farratna fil kitabi min shay, means we have included everything in the glorious Quran. It is why we have to study and search more and more about the glorious Quran. Wa akhiru da'wana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.